to add drawings in Google Docs, so it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser first, and once you're in your browser, you just need to go to docs.google.com. And after you're in this page, just need to look at the top left where you have options like File, Edit, View, and Insert. Tap on Insert, and now you have options like Image, Table, and Drawing. Just go ahead and tap on Drawing, and now you have New or from Drive. If you have a drawing in your Drive that you would like to insert, you can do that, but if not, just go ahead and tap on New. Once you're here, you can draw anything you want and you can insert it on your document. You can also choose shapes or line or text box or an image. I'm just going to tap on shapes like this, and you can also choose to use this paint format right here. You can change the color if you want and tap on Save and Close, and it would automatically appear right here. You can change the shape or the size of it like this. In this way, you can successfully add a drawing in Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.